Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to factory reset your Kwikset smart code 914 lock in 2026. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to make sure that the door is open and unlocked. This is important because the reset process can cause the latch to extend and retract automatically. So if you keep the door open, it is going to prevent the lockouts during the programming. Now, once this is done, you just have to simply remove the interior cover and you need to take the battery pack out from the lock. And this is going to basically cut the power to the lock and it will also prepare it for the factory reset procedure. Now, inside this particular section, you will see this type of power button. So you just have to simply press and hold this particular power button while reinserting the battery pack. Just continue holding the button for approximately 30 seconds until you hear a beep and see the status LED flashing red. So after the red light flash appear, you just have to release this programming button and then you just have to simply go back on the lock and you need to simply press the programming button one more time. So this way the LED should flash green and you are also going to hear the confirmation beep indicating that the factory reset has been completed successfully. So that's how you can basically factory reset it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.